This is my song right here. Oh, you guys probably can't even hear me because I have the heat on. Are we ready? This is my favorite little song right here. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
She knows she's sexing on overprotected. Go get them 1, 2, 3, let's go.
Oh. Hey Siri, play Ready by James Fisher. That's not his name. That is not his name. Play Ready by Sam Fisher. Much better.
Now playing Ready by Sam Fisher.
Tell me if I'm wrong. Why are you stringing me along? I hope that you're happy. I know that you can be. Cause no one's gonna love you like I'll love you if you let me.
Tell me when you're ready. Ready.
Hi, thank you for choosing Saluda Point Starbucks.
Can I get a venti iced chai tea latte?
Absolutely, you are our favorite. What else can I get for you?
With soy milk and then 4 pumps of pumpkin spice.
Have you tried this with the pumpkin cream cold foam?
Tell me when you're ready. Ready. Tell me when you're ready. You guys, I'm their favorite. That's how you know I come all the flipping time. Am I in focus? Thank you. There you go. Sorry if I was out of focus, you guys, but did you hear her? You're our favorite. I'm their favorite, okay? Okay, but you're probably only a favorite, you know, if you come every day. So Sam Fisher is like my new favorite indie artist. I'm in love. Okay, I'm in love. I think I can make this. I don't know, I should have looked a little better. Let's start over my new favorite song. Tell me if I'm wrong, cause no one's gonna love you like I love you if you let me. Tell me when you're ready. Okay guys, so welcome back. Okay, so last time I spoke to you guys, I was in the car getting Starbucks. I came home, took a shower. I haven't eaten or finished my Starbucks drink yet, but there's a project that I really want to work on, and I want to set up a legging area right here. So I used to have like shoes and like a basket right here, which I still have one, but I had a bigger one right here. And I moved everything out of the way because I want to set up a legging area, because the truth is I have too many activewear items and they take up a lot of my dresser, so it's hard for me to put like my actual like jeans and shirts and other things that I like to wear in there because it's all activewear. So I have this like stand that I bought in college, and I used to have like a coffee machine on it and whatever else, and ever since college I really haven't been using it. So I thought that we would set it up today in this little area, and you guys can like watch me put all my activewear up and get it organized. Okay, so this is the little shelf that I have. It's a 3-tier shelf, heavy duty steel construction with a rust resistant finish, and it's easy snap together assembly, which is perfect for us. I have a lot of stuff. Literally it's all on my bed right now, and it's taking up my entire bed. Like I have so much activewear, and this isn't even all of it because I think I still have some in the drawers, and I have some downstairs in the dryer, but I'm only gonna do what's upstairs for right now because that's already enough stuff. I'm not gonna lie. So let's just go ahead and take this out and set it up and get started. Okay, so we almost had a crisis because I didn't have these in the box with the shelves at all, so I thought I didn't have the little rods, but I found them. I went to my car to check and they were not in my car, but I did find them in my closet. I had them stuff inside of a bin from college, so we're back in action. Go back there again. So while setting up our little legging area, we have run out of these little clips that hold the rack up. So I'm not really sure how I'm gonna get this part right here to stay up, just because I don't have any more of the clips and I can't find them, and there's none in this box, which I don't know why there's none in here, but there's literally none in this box. So I see if I can like. Okay, so I was unable to find the rest of the clamps. So what I think I'm going to try to do is just move this one up a little higher and then just work from there. Okay, so as you can see on the floor right here, we have a lot of activewear that I need to fit on these 2 racks because I don't have enough clips to do 3, even though it did come with 3. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to organize these clothes the best that I can on here. Hey. I think what I want to do is shorts and shirts on top, and then leggings and sports bras. I don't know, because I don't think the sports bras are going to fit at the bottom because I have so many leggings. So we'll just see what I'm able to do and how I'm able to get everything coordinated on here. As of right now, I don't know how I'm going to do all this because I have so much of it. So yeah, let's go ahead, get this organized on our little rack. Okay. Activewear on this little rack right here, and yeah, so I got it all organized the way that I want it to be organized. But I decided to put all of my shorts, sports bras, and tank tops on the top rack. On the bottom, I did short sleeve shirts in the back, long sleeve shirts, and then I did all of my leggings right here. Okay guys, so now that we finished organizing all of the activewear, I will check in with you guys later today because I'm going to also take you guys along with me to get the new Whitney Simmons Alani new collaboration. I'm going to order that at 12 because it releases at 12. And I'm so excited to get this stuff. So I will come back around 11:30, 11:45. We'll get set up. I will screen record this time and we will see what we can do, okay? Because I'm pretty sure this collection's going to sell out in like seconds, okay? In seconds. So I'll be back around 11:30. I'll see you guys then. Okay guys, so we are back. It's 11:53 and yeah, and I told you guys that I would come back on before we end today's vlog and go ahead and take you guys along with me to try and purchase the Whitney Simmons x Alani new collaboration. So I'm trying to actually get 2 of the boxes. I think I want to do a giveaway for one of them. So I'm hoping I can at least get 2 of the boxes. I'm just hoping and praying because I just feel like this is going to sell out within 1 second. Like I just feel like it's gonna be like bloop, gone. So hopefully everything should be fine. We should be able to get what we want, I hope. In the package that Alani Nu and Whitney Simmons are releasing, there is a pump, a pre-workout, one of the energy drinks that she designed, and it's like a blue slush flavor. There also is a shaker bottle with her signature on it, and it also comes with a straw. So you get a lot of things for I think $80 to $90. I'm not sure the exact cost of the box, but it is a steal because a lot of these products in the box by themselves, besides the cup and the straw and the energy drink, the other 2 products are usually around $49.99 by themselves. But I'm just nervous. I just get nervous. I just find my heart is beating really fast. I'm nervous. Let me know if you guys tried to get the Whitney x Simmons collection from Alani Nu. If you did, comment down below and let me know if you got it. Also, while this is loading, I want to show you guys my nails that I got done. Aren't they beautiful? Look at this. They're so pretty. So I tried to show you guys the other day when I vlogged, but the vlog turned out horrible. So we have 4 minutes left. I don't know if I should screen record. I feel like I really have to pee. My heart is racing. I am nervous. I just pray I can get 2 boxes. Okay, screen record has started and we have 3 minutes left. The site is already getting slow. Ah. One minute left. So nervous, you guys. My heart is like racing and I don't know why. It's just supplements. I feel like launches like give you stress. Why can't things just be like available, you know? Like why not create an unlimited stock? Why make us have to do launches? Because it literally feels like Hunger Games. May the odds ever be in your favor. That's how I feel right now, literally. Oh my God, I feel like I'm like, my heart's beating like 110. Oh, it's 12, it's 12, it's 12, it's 12. Come on, come on. Why is it not popping up? Is it on here? Where is it? Am I slow? I don't see it. Okay. Come on, I don't have time for this. Ah! Help me, please. Whew, don't stress. My hands are literally like shaking. Oh, come on, don't do this right now. You guys, I didn't get anything. Are you kidding me? So right now I'm trying to get, they have a bundle of the pre-workout and the pump, and I'm just trying to get that right now. If it'll let me. But it was literally like, the thing sold out in 3 minutes. That is insane. Okay, let's see if this is in stock, hopefully. Come on, come on. Okay. Whoop, whoop. Okay, so I was able to get the Whit and Alani new pre-workout and pump bundle, which is just the pre-workout and the pump together, but I wasn't able to get like the blue slush drink or the cup or the straw. I don't know if they sell it separately. I didn't have time to like search. What sucked about this launch is that it didn't pop up on the front screen. Like, you know how you refresh the page? It didn't pop up at all, which I would think if you're having a big launch, you would make like a banner and it'd be the head of the page. Like, they didn't do any of that. So that also kind of made it hard to find. But yeah, so I'm gonna see if they actually even sell the cup separately, which I don't think that they are. Yeah, no. So all they're selling separately is they are selling the pre-workout watermelon punch, and then they're selling the bundle of the pre-workout and the pump together, and then they were selling the kit. But yeah, and then I did US priority shipping, which is like $11.55. So I did get something, so I'm not that upset. But you guys, these launches aren't a game, okay?